made this for the lovely Neva from Manic Mama Creationz. I was sending her a couple of handcrafted crochet sweaters that I had done for her to donate to whatever charity she wants to. And I've included this little bag especially for her. Now this is called the loaded bag. Something new that I've been working on. So first of all, let me show you the back. The back has a little sticker. It says life, and a little bird, a little heart. And then in this side, has cherish every moment, love every moment, embrace every possibility. And a little flower here. These are just stickers. These are little heart stickers I shoved in the side. Oh, I'm sorry, they're not stickers. They're just little hearts. You can glue them on things though. This is a card that I made for her. I found this picture online of some hummingbirds with flowers. I printed it. I think it turned out really nice. And then I did a border and a little bow, little X's here, there's an X there, a little raised flower. And I put a sentiment, says you are awesome. And I used this paper that I got from Michael's. And then when I open it up, inside is a little bookmarker that I made. And on this side, some more paper from Michael's, the same paper that I used on the front. Put a little flower there. There's a little space under the paper here, so stuck a couple of hearts in there. This really neat fan I'm using as a pocket. There's a feather here. She will pull that out. And there's a little package in there of stickers and things she could use for Happy Mail. On this side is a raised flower and a little note I made that says, "Hi Neva, be sure to explore all the nooks and crannies. You never know what you might find. Love and hugs, Darla, Crafty Yarn Owl." And then the back is the same paper with a little owl. Okay, so that is the card. And then also on the front of this loaded bag, there's a little butterfly, and this is a little owl clothespin with a few little stickers she could use for Happy Mail or whatever she wants. So those are clipped on there. And then there's this little package. It's got a teacup, a strawberry sticker, just little stickers inside there. So that goes back into this little pocket. And then there's another little pocket behind it. And here we have the teapot. And a raspberry, or a strawberry. So there's little stickers and things inside here she could use. And inside here, inside the top part of the bag, is something I crocheted for her. This is her favorite animal. There's pipe cleaner in here so she can adjust the trunk wherever she wants to. You look at his little tail. Okay, any links are going to be in the description box below. The link for the elephant will be there. The link for the site where I got the hummingbird picture from, the site I got it from, that will be in the description box, as well as the site I got this print from to make the bookmark. That's the same site I got this from, and that's also the same site that I got the fan from. So all that will be in the description box below. So I believe that's everything. I just wanted to show her how much I appreciate her. So that's why I did this. And she is awesome. She is very awesome. She gives to so many people. The work that she does is amazing. So yes, this is it. I learned this from some crafty friends on YouTube. I've watched so many channels, so many videos. Yes, so I'm pretty happy with it. I think she's gonna like it. She's probably gonna cry. But I'll put the link to her video of her receiving all this down below as well. All right, thank you for joining me today.